Hi friends, today is 28th October 2012 Sunday. This video is on chapter 44 of Right to Recall Party Manifesto, how cow slaughter can be decreased, that is what gazette notification drafts can reduce cow slaughter. The Right to Recall Party Manifesto you can download from rahulmehta.com/301.htm. I'll repeat, rahulmehta.com/301.htm has complete 550 pages. It is on different topics, and the main goal is that what are the drafts that should be printed in Gazette so that problems of India can be reduced. What is Gazette? Gazette is a document that state government, Chief Minister and Prime Minister publish once every 15 days, once every month as and when needed. And it has got instructions that collector, secretary are supposed to execute. If they don't execute, they can be fined, they can be expelled from their job. So if we citizens want any change in the government, then we have to think of what gazette notification drafts do we need to print so that it will bring the change that we want. So one of the first gazette notification draft I have proposed is transparent complaint filing procedure, that is given in section 1.3. And after that is there are right to recall law draft, jury system law draft, wealth tax, etc. Chapter 44, today's video. Chapter 44 is about gazette notification draft that can reduce cow slaughter in India. So first thing is, in each state government's gazette notification draft, print a gazette notification draft which will impose 5-year imprisonment on anyone who slaughters a cow or a bullock. And that law is already there in all states except West Bengal and Kerala. Except West Bengal and Kerala, all states prohibit cow slaughter. Northeast states, some of the northeast states allow cow slaughter, but the cow slaughter is very less in northeast from day one, because some 150 years ago, much of the northeast was a forest. There was very less agriculture, and since there was very less agriculture, the animal husbandry, etc. had not started. So they consider cow as a sacred animal, but there is not too much emphasis on the cow in their daily life. So even in Jammu Kashmir, cow slaughter is illegal. But it happens rampantly, and why? There comes the next proposed gazette notification. Next proposed gazette notification, and the most important one in reducing cow slaughter, is right to recall police commissioner. So right to recall police commissioner is necessary because today cow slaughter happens because district police chief get bribe from the people who are running slaughterhouse, butchers. So otherwise police commissioner, but district police chief, district SP are very much aware of where cows are cut, where they are shipped, etc., because they are the one who go and collect the hafta every month. But it happens, but why do they do that rampantly? Because citizens don't have procedure to expel them. Once citizens have procedure to expel district police chief, it will reduce. Second is that the jury trial and not judge trial to decide the length of the prison sentence who is accused of cow slaughter, guilt as well as prison sentence. Why? Because judges are mostly corrupt. They have nexus with their relative lawyers. So what butchers will generally do is that they hire one of the relative of lawyer as their lawyer, and that guy will ensure that date after date after date comes, and finally the witnesses, etc., get tired and they all get acquitted. So jury trial are must to imprison people who indulge in cow slaughter. Then narco test by approval of jurors on those who are accused of cow slaughter. That is important because today narco test is not taken on those who are illegally running butcher houses. And if narco test comes, then police will not patronize them because there is a fear that their name will pop up in one of these narco tests. But Supreme Court has ruled that yeah, you can take narco test of somebody who is indulging in cow slaughter, but after that accused or that criminal agrees that okay, go and take my narco test. So who is going to agree? I mean, it's a nonsensical judgment that Supreme Court judges have given. Supreme Court judges gave their judgment because if narco test of lot of officers are taken, retired judges are taken, then their corruption will also come out. But we should print a draft in Gazette notification. We should print a draft in Gazette notification that those who are accused of cow slaughter and there is enough corroborative evidence, then jury with a vote of 8 to 4 can decide whether narco test should be taken or not, and narco test will be taken in public. And if the judge cancels this law, then we should take narco test of that judge. So then comes other laws such as we must have right to recall district health officer. District health officer is in charge of controlling adulteration. Some districts have a separate post for that, but whatever is the person in charge of controlling adulteration, there should be right to recall in it. Why? Because today cow milk is not selling because it is expensive. That is a lesser reason, because there are people who are spending hundreds of rupees in restaurants, and of course they will be willing to pay more money for cow milk because it is good for health. But what they rightly say is that what is the guarantee that this is not buffalo milk minus fat and maybe plus haldi or yellow powder or whatever. So there is lot of adulteration which goes on, because of which people are not trusting that it is a cow milk, and therefore once there is right to recall anti-adulteration officer, the adulteration will decrease. And also we should print a Gazette notification that those who are accused of adulteration will be tried by jury. During British days, why adulteration was less? It is important to note that adulteration was less during British days and it has increased thereafter. Why? Because Britishers from 1870 to wherever till 1947 they stayed, they used jury trial against those who were accused of adulteration. So jury is tried by common people. I have described the jury system in chapter 21, and I have also, there is a video E2101. E2101 is in English on jury system, and in Hindi it is H2101. So jury trial on adulteration will on those accused of adulteration will decrease adulteration, and therefore people will trust the label of cow milk. Second, those who are making cow milk will have to write on the package whether it is Jersey milk or whether it is the Jersey cow milk or whether it is Desi cow milk or Gir cow milk or whatever. So Desi, any Indian variety, they will have to write that this milk is 100% Indian cow variety milk, or if it is Jersey or any other, then they have to write that the cow is hybrid or it is Videshi. So that will reduce the consumption of Jersey cow milk, increase the consumption of Indian cow milk, and thus the slaughter of Indian cow will decrease. Today, in the name of cow milk, most companies such as Amul are selling Jersey cow milk. Why? Because Jersey cow is like a machine. Most people in Ayurveda don't consider it as a cow, in the sense that they say that the medicinal ingredients which are present in Desi cow milk are not in Jersey cow milk. I am taking it strictly from a legal standpoint of view, that if a person says that he wants Desi cow milk, then the label should say whether it is Desi cow milk or Jersey cow milk. Means I am not saying that Jersey cow milk should be banned. Those who want to sell can sell it. But the label should say, and the Ayurveda people oppose Jersey cow milk because they say that it has more fat than buffalo milk. So those are things that each person can decide on his own. Second, exporting meat should be banned. All exporting meat, buffalo meat, goat milk, any meat, export meat should be banned. Slaughter of cow should be banned. Slaughter of other animal may be allowed, but their meat export will be banned. That is what Gazette notification we should put. Second, no interstate movement of cow. Interstate movement means that a cow which is born in Gujarat will die in Gujarat. A cow which is born in Maharashtra will die in Maharashtra. A cow which is born in a particular state cannot be moved into other state, and if it has to be moved, it will be moved only in government owned vehicle, in a very rare cases if somebody wants to take it for breeding or other purpose, but otherwise they will not be trafficked. So this way the cow, let us say there is one state which allows cow slaughter, which won't be the case, because my proposal is that if that state refuses to print gazette notification which bans cow slaughter, then we'll print an India level gazette notification which will ban cow slaughter in entire India. Now the cow's milk today has label of how much fat it has. It should also have label of how much protein it has. So that way automatically cow milk has more protein and therefore its sale will relatively increase. Then there should be one panjara pole, that is the cow shelter. There should be one cow shelter in every area, in cities as well. In every ward, typically a ward consists of about 10,000 to 50,000 voters. So in every locality of 20,000 to 30,000 there should be one cow shelter. And then finally running an advertisement campaign that will explain to every citizen that how buffalo milk is more expensive if you calculate the health cost. Health cost means that of course buffalo milk is cheaper, but it has more fat and less protein. So if you factor in more fat, then at the age of 40, 50, 60, whatever, you will end up paying more money in to treat heart attack or other heart related disease, etc. So when that money time is added up, it turns out that cow milk is cheaper. So the public awareness campaign has to be run. So now I'll briefly explain some of it. That then other practice that we should discourage is giving free food to cow. This may sound a bit harsh, but by giving free food to cow, we are subsidizing beef. We are subsidizing the people who are eating beef. Why? Because India is one of the few countries where beef is cheaper than buffalo meat. Why is beef cheaper than buffalo meat? Because we are feeding cow for free. So similarly, those who are giving, so that we should end. What we should do is that we should, those who want to patronize cow, those who want to give money for cow welfare, which is a good thing, but they should give it differently. How? They should buy cow ghee or cow milk or cow butter or whatever cow products are, and that they should give it to lower middle class or poor people at a subsidized rate in a fashion of well-managed dairy. How? For example, they can open a venture called cow dairy, and what that dairy will do is that it will not give any money to direct money to cow shelter, but it will purchase the cow milk, etc. at market rate, whatever it is costing them, and then it will sell it to others at a subsidized rate, lesser rate. Maybe it will make less or it will make low profit. On how that can be achieved is that, let us say that the person who wants to run cow shelter, instead of running cow shelter, he can pay rent for that dairy. So now that dairy cow which is selling cow product will be able to sell products at a cheaper rate. So that way you are subsidizing the output product of the cow, so that makes sure that the cow will live longer. Second, we should remove the subsidies which are given to chemical fertilizer at the rate of 20% a year. So within 5 years, all the subsidies to cow chemical fertilizer will be gone. So that will automatically increase the demand of cow manure, and that will reduce the cow slaughter. And we should also decrease the subsidy given to tractor. So as subsidy given to tractor decreases, the importance of bullock will increase, and that will also reduce cow slaughter. Then, so there are a lot of other points which I have mentioned which will reduce cow slaughter. You can go over detail. How you can reduce cow slaughter? You can ask Prime Minister, Chief Minister to print the draft in section 1.3. Transparent complaint filing procedure is only 3-line clause. Once that 3-line clause law comes in the Gazette, the laws by which cow slaughter can be reduced can be gradually printed into Gazette one by one, and that way cow slaughter will reduce. Thank you.